back, everybody, to Valvetronic Designs. Today we have a very spectacular looking E46 M3 behind me, and what we're going to show you in this video is sometimes the pneumatic vacuum actuated valves, they have a little bit of play which causes them to rattle. Right now we're going to turn on the car, we're going to show you guys the problem, and then we're going to show you guys how to fix it. Very easy fix, just a little bit of adjustment on the valve arm, but we'll show you guys how to fix the problem if you're experiencing similar issues. Let's get this problem fixed. So right now the valves are open, as you can hear. If I close them, it's a little bit of a rattle, which is obviously not what you want. That means that the valve is not fully tight. There's not enough tension to close it, meaning that there's something stopping it from actuating all the way. So we're going to look at the valve arm and make sure that it's operating properly. We're going to adjust the valve arm to make sure that it's fully operating the exhaust system properly. We have a universal muffler here on the table, and we're going to show you guys what the problem is. You can hear that that valve is rattling, and the reason why is because there's not enough tension here to pin the valve closed. The valve is in a resting state as closed. That's why you can see that it's shut. It's the same as on this E46 M3 exhaust system. So what we've done is we've gone ahead and removed this little clip. And when we do that, I'll show you guys on the ground here because you can't see it while it's on the car. With these little tools, pull off this C-clip. So now it's off. You can see there's two of them there. There's one from the car. And then you can pull this up, and then you can loosen a little thread here. We're going to loosen this. Now, as you can see, once we have this disconnected, what we're going to do on the E46 here is we're going to remove this like we have as such, pull the lever arm off, and then we're going to spin this nut, and then we can spin this part is going to rotate, and we can bring it back towards the valve body. What that's going to do is it's going to shorten up the travel and allow us to have more operation window between open and closed. What's happening with this car is the valve is not fully closing when you don't have any vacuum pressure. So we're going to adjust it, and we're going to fix the issue. But remember, it's all about tension. So on this car, we're going to spin the arm out. When the valve is not under pressure, it's going to push the exhaust valve fully closed. We won't have this type of issue. So we're going to do this on this car right now, and we'll show you what the result is. Easy fix to fix something like this. Now that the E46 is fixed, I'm going to show you guys here on the ground how to put it all back together. Take the lever arm, lock it back into place, and then you're going to take your little C-clip. Don't lose this. This is like gold. This is very, very important. These sometimes go flying, so make sure that you take your time and put it back properly. Okay, that is now fixed. Okay, we're going to restart the car now. Everything's been put back together. Again, to recap, we took the little C-clip off, spun the arm going into the diaphragm, push it out more so that when it shuts, it's fully making contact and the valve is fully closing. So now let's start it up and we won't have that rattle anymore. So now you can see the exhaust valves are closed. We're not getting any rattles. This car is having a misfire because of the E46 M3 problems. I open it, sounds fine, sounds good. No rattles anymore. So adjusting the tension on the valve is very, very important. Also too, you can spray some WD-40 in the valve just to make sure it's operating properly. Remember, these are mechanical components inside the exhaust. They might need lubrication sometimes. So hopefully this helped you guys fix any issues you're having with your Valvetronic system, and obviously get back out there and continue to enjoy.